Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. This is not financial advice, however we are just going to be taking a look at some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies. Let's get into it. Coming in first at number 3 on our list, we have Fluid. Fluid has been in development since 2018 and provides institutional investors access to virtual assets with a fully compliant master order book. The platform combines liquidity across centralized exchanges, giving access to more affordable and effective funding solutions for trading platforms. Digital asset markets currently suffer from liquidity fragmentation, wide spreads, and the lack of framework for institutional participation. What Fluid does is combine resources across member exchanges, thereby connecting institutions and retail investors with a universal order book. Because of their technical infrastructure, Fluid is able to unify global liquidity and provide a stabilized market. Fluid's smart order routing engine allows exchanges to mirror the global Fluid order book, providing member exchanges with deep liquidity inside a compliant framework at zero cost and no counterparty risk. Fluid intends on capitalizing on the $24 trillion worth of tokenized market volume potential, with every asset aimed to be tokenized in the future. Fluid is well positioned to penetrate cross markets, including spot, futures, derivatives, synthetics, STOs, and tokenized assets. Their team consists of ex-bankers of Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, Goldman Sachs, Citibank, Visa, and founders of leading regulated digital asset OTC trading desks and popular blockchain companies. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Concordium and GTU. Concordium aims to build the world's leading open-source, permissionless and decentralized blockchain with built-in user identity at the protocol level. Concordium supports regulatory compliance, allowing businesses to harness the power of blockchain technology. Concordium will introduce a digital currency called Global Transaction Unit, or GTU. GTU is the native token of the Concordium platform and the medium of incentivization that ensures networking participants are rewarded for their efforts. GTU can be used for a variety of purposes, including as payment for the execution of smart contracts, payment via transactions between users, and as a store of value. The Concordium platform is designed to be fast, secure, and cost-effective. Concordium's innovative identity layer provides an on-chain identity, compliance-centric transactions, and enhanced privacy for users, while also allowing for the de-anonymization of network participants. Concordium also enables interoperability and communication between shards and between Concordium and other blockchains. The platform has a standards-based smart contract core with multi-language support, and also features a transparent incentive structure with cost-effective transactions and predictable fees. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies, we have Partisia Blockchain. In May 2021, Partisia Blockchain raised $20 million to build an internet privacy infrastructure for the greater good. Partisia Blockchain's cutting-edge solution to the internet's confidentiality and privacy challenges represents the first successful complete integration of blockchain technology with another commercial-grade distributed cryptography, secure multi-party computation, or MPC. In simple terms, it allows enterprises to experience the advantages of decentralized technologies while still guaranteeing that data remains private and secure while used in collaborative solutions. Partisia Blockchain's mission is to establish a Web 3.0 infrastructure with no single point of trust for generic coordination of public and private information to be used by all applications across all platforms. The Partisia Blockchain community consists of developers, researchers, node operators, and token holders from all around the globe. And those are some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also, leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.